Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Dabral, coordinator Dun Bhawan International School. I am making this video which shows you how to install this application NCERT. Uh, just open this from the WhatsApp and click on this link and follow the steps. Click on this installed or install. Just enter your email ID and password. Open Play Store app. Okay. NCERT books will be installed on your device soon. Okay.
बैठ के बना रही वीडियो।
You can select your class. Suppose I'm selecting class 8th and you will get all the subjects. For example, mathematics, all the chapters in a sequential way. You can also download like this way. Okay, it's over.